Okay, Kangaram. When is William getting married? When's William getting married? Well done. What is the name of William's young brother? What's the name of William's young brother? Who is William marrying? Who's William marrying? Okay, well done. What is her surname? Where are they getting married? Where are they getting married? Where are they getting married? Good boy. A message that you would like to give them. That one? A message you'd like to give them? Anything else you'd like to say to them? Anything else you'd like to say to them? Anything else you'd like to say to them?